In this video I want to show you how to open the fuel door in your Honda Fit. So if you have the first gen sold in North America, it will be slightly different than the second gen, and good thing is I have both, so let me show you. So on the first gen you simply have to go, okay, there's no lever, there's nothing over here. Just go where the fuel cap is on the driver's side, stick your finger here, you see they made it on purpose, and open it. It's as easy as it is. Then remove the cap, and this is about it. Now on the second gen that came in North America, you need to push on the cap to unlock it. Okay, you see, once you push on it, you can lock it and unlock it. And then same thing, you take it out. And one thing with the second gen is that you can put the cap over here. You see there's a small place, so the cap rests on the lid itself and not dangle on the bodywork of your car. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.